Well, hello everybody and welcome back. Today I have an amazing new DIY that you can recreate for yourself. It's simple, affordable, and easy to remake. So if you're interested in seeing what I've created today, just keep on watching. For this first DIY, I'm going to be starting off with this old candle container and I'm going to be painting it purple. I'll be using these iridescent rhinestones from Walmart and I'm going to lay them on the container diagonally. This bling ribbon is from Amazon and I'm just going to be applying it to this vase container that I picked up from Dollar Tree. Now I'm just going to hot glue the two containers together. And here is what it looks like, guys. I added these festive ghost fairy lights as well as some diamond vase filler. Of course, if you don't do Halloween, you can always use regular fairy lights. And yeah, I really do like it. What do you guys think? For my next DIY, I'm going to be using these shower curtain rings from Dollar Tree, and I'm just going to be hot gluing the rings in sets of 3. Here you see me combining the ring sets that we just made together. This iridescent bling strip is from Amazon and I'm going to be cutting it into smaller strips. I'll be using this mirror candle plate from Dollar Tree. These are just some old candle lids that I already had, and I'll be using this chunkier iridescent bling ribbon from Amazon. And here's what they look like, guys. What do you think? Guys, that's it. That's all that I have for you today. 2 really simple DIYs that you can recreate for yourselves today. I hope you've enjoyed this little video. I'll be back on Sunday at 6 p.m. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye, guys.